Hello friends, we are at the CES 2026 and now we are at the CPS PCCOOLER booth. We will go through all their new products, you will see some cases, AIOs, fans, and let's enjoy their new products that soon will appear on our channel. First of all, let's take a look at C7 W700, the case that is clearly designed with cooling and high-end hardware in mind. In terms of radiator support, it's extremely flexible. You can install up to 360mm radiators at the top, bottom and side, giving you plenty of options for custom water cooling or large AIO setups. This makes it easy to build complex loops without fighting for space. Fan support is equally impressive. The case allows multiple 120 or 140 fan configurations across the top, side, rear and bottom, which means you can optimize airflow exactly the way you want, whether you're focusing on airflow, pressure or noise. When it comes to component clearance, the CPU cooler height goes up to 195mm, so even a larger air coolers fit without any issues. For GPUs, you get support for cards up to 420mm in length, which easily covers today's flagships graphic cards. Combined with its aluminum frame and tempered glass, the C7 W700 is built not just to look good, but to handle complex PC builds. Overall, this case is made for enthusiasts who don't want to compromise on cooling, hardware capability or visual impact. One of the most interesting items, I will be really waiting for it to do the build. Another highlight at the CPS PCCOOLER booth is their new DV360 ARGB Display AIO. And this one clearly focuses on both performance and visuals. It supports both Intel and AMD newest CPUs, so it's ready for both current and next-gen platforms. The 360mm aluminum radiator is paired with high-performance 120mm fans, spinning from 500 up to 3000 RPM, delivering strong static pressure for high TDP CPUs. The pump runs at 2600 RPM and uses a standard 4-pin connection, while the tubing length of 420mm gives you plenty of flexibility when routing inside large cases. And well, the cooling is one part of the story, but the other big highlight is the display. This AIO features a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen with a 2400 by 1080 resolution, which looks incredibly sharp up close. It's perfect for system stats, custom animations or branding, and it really turns the cooler into a centerpiece of the build. Combined with ARGB lighting and clean overall design, the DV360 isn't just about temperatures. It's about making your cooling solution part of visual identity of your PC. One of the most interesting products is the CPU cooler on this stand. It's RZ820 Display CPU cooler, and it's really huge. It's suitable for both AMD and Intel newest CPUs. The cooler uses a dual fan configuration with a 140mm middle fan and a large 150mm front fan. Fan speed go up to 3000 RPM, delivering strong airflow and solid static pressure for high-performance CPUs. Heat is handled by a series heat pipe setup with 4 6mm and 4 8mm heat pipes, allowing the cooler to efficiently transfer heat away from the CPU under heavy loads. One of the standout features here is the integrated display on top of the cooler. It's a 5-inch IPS screen with a 1280 by 720 resolution, perfect for showing real-time system stats, temperatures or custom visuals. And this is something you don't normally see on air coolers. With its clean design, large cooling capacity and built-in screen, the RZ820 Display is made for users who want air cooling performance without giving up on visual customization. PCCOOLER is also stepping into the high-end power supply market with their new SU series, available in 1350, 1650, 2000 and even 2500 watts. Made for extreme systems, workstations and AI builds. These power supplies have ATX 3.1 standard and fully support PCI Express 5.1 with up to 4 600-watt GPU outputs on the top models. This makes them ready for today's and next-gen graphic cards. Efficiency is another key highlight here. The SU series have titanium certification, delivering over 94% efficiency at typical load, which means less heat, lower power loss, and better long-term reliability. Cooling is handled by a 135mm smart fan with 0 RPM mode, keeping the unit silent under light loads. These SU series power supplies are clearly designed for builders who demand absolute stability and future-proof power delivery. Well guys, I showed you the most interesting, from my point of view, products at the CPS PCCOOLER booth. I hope these products will soon appear on our channel and we will do some cool builds with them. See you soon, bye bye!